Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to fix Fivem error Rockstar Games launcher could not be found. Firstly, try add in Rockstar folder to Windows Security Exclusions. Just click Start, type Windows Security, then press Enter. Go to Virus and Threat Protection, then click Manage Settings. Scroll down and click on Add or Remove Exclusions. Click Add an Exclusion and then choose Folder and navigate to C Program Files Rockstar Games. Select the folder and then restart your PC and try launching Fivem again. If not, open File Explorer and delete Documents/Rockstar Games. Then go to C Program Files Rockstar Games and delete the entire Rockstar Games folder. Also check and delete it if it exists, which is C Program Data Rockstar Games. You may need to enable Show Hidden Files to C Program Data. Now click Start and then search Installed Apps. Find Rockstar Games Launcher, click the three dots Uninstall and then confirm it. Restart your PC and then reinstall the official launcher. And this should fix your problem. Thank you guys for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.